From the vibrant shores of Malaysia to the dynamic city of Qingdao, China, a journey bridging nations and industries. In 2025, DSC Consulting bridged nations and industries by uniting Malaysian government leaders with forward-thinking manufacturers on an immersive digital transformation tour through Qingdao's smart factories, with strategic support from CCPIT and Digiwinsoft Shandong. Together, they stepped into the future, witnessing how cutting-edge digitalization is revolutionizing manufacturing. The evolution begins. Welcome to the new era of smart industry. The journey starts now. Malaysian manufacturers traveled to Qingdao, China, to explore how digitalization is reshaping modern factories. From intelligent production lines to automated logistics, the tour offered a first-hand look at cutting-edge industrial innovation. It was more than a visit, it was an eye-opening journey into the future of manufacturing. During our journey across Qingdao, we visited 8 remarkable manufacturers, each offering unique insights into digital transformation on the factory floor. At SAIC-GM-Wuling, we saw automotive production powered by automation and precision. Sailun Group impressed us with smart tire manufacturing systems and digitalized logistics. HBIS Group showcased how advanced materials and green technologies are reshaping steel innovation. Huatian Auto Parts revealed how smart production lines ensure high-volume efficiency and consistency. At WuShun Mould, digital machining tools delivered accuracy and flexibility in automotive mold production. Huatian Hand Truck demonstrated lean manufacturing excellence, infused with the spirit of craftsmanship. Carflex Auto Parts showed us intelligent warehousing and modular production processes. Hidrostal, a Swiss-based leader in pump technology, is redefining fluid handling with its high-performance screw centrifugal pumps. From automation to integration, every visit offered a real-world look at how digitalization drives competitiveness in today's manufacturing world.
Hello, hi everyone. My name is Wayne. I'm from Sincerely Global in Berhad.
I'm Kelvin Tay. I'm from Touching Steel in Berhad.
Hi, I'm Mr. Lee. I'm judge of Armstrong Industry, Sailun Berhad.
My name is Sailun. I'm from the Selangor Human Resource Development Center.
Hi, I'm Chia. I'm as a General Manager from Qingdao, Malaysia.
My name is JD from CPRM Composite Technology Research Malaysia.
我是 Sean from Qfit， 我是在 Qfit 担任 General Manager.
My name is Faizal. I'm from Highcom Taxi.
Going through all this amazing experience, I would strongly recommend that anyone that has the opportunity to come here and see the factory for themselves. As for the experience, I think that it's a very insightful because you can see a very modern company with very advanced digitalization.
The people I connect in here, like the participants from different industry, they actually like facing the same issue, but we are trying to make into a smarter manufacturing. So I think we are changing the idea and option.
So with this automation, I believe they are able to increase the productivity, and then for digitalizations, they are able to having a very accurate data collection. With that, they are able to do accurate decision to overcome all kind of problems they are facing.
I've seen the DSC Consulting's one of your taglines saying like driving impact through digital transformation. I believe that in this tour itself, I see 8 factories were in different stages running through the digital transformation. So when we talk about digital transformation, it's not having to complete the journey at the shortest time, but some companies even take 20 years. So what I see in China, here is that continuous improvement and taking continuous step to improve and to take actions into digital transformation. That commitment is very important.
收获最大的就是认识了一班很志同道合的在不同行业的朋友，然后见识了他们的那些自动化和那个 digitalization。
I'm very impressed with the factory tour. That was I look on the integration, the MRP, ERP, IoT, and also AI. So it's good for our future manufacturing system.
First of all, I would like to express my sincere appreciation to DSC for the opportunity to participate in this Insight trip. DSC China Factory Tour provided an integrated solution for digitalization, AI, big data, and automation into daily operation, increase efficiency, reduce reject.
Digitalization and automation is not so easy to implement. So we need to understand the real situation, our process, and basically we need to understand the system that we need to implement. From that, we can deeper understanding on how to implement it in our company.
I think China has improved by a lot over the last few years. And I think we should improve at our own pace and not just blindly, want to improve just for the sake of improvement. So I think for us in Malaysia company, I think there's a lot of process, a lot of improvement and a lot of potential. I think with DSC partnering with such a great company and with a long history, I think a lot of us as a manufacturer, we can learn from the manufacturer in China. Not just in China, but I'm sure in other parts of the world as well. So I think for this trip, it's part of an exploration process, and very happy and very honored that we are able to get onto this trip and learn, from this 5 days trip. Yeah.
From the experience during this trip, I think what I saw is they have been start doing this few years ago, and I think we are still lag behind from them. And then what we can do is fasten up what we know about data and what do we want to be in the future.
Most of the company measures still are in the very manual type of operation, including my company also the same thing. So a lot of room for us to learn from this China company.
We deal with a lot of small, medium enterprises, manufacturing especially. And from what our experience is, we see that a lot of SMEs in Malaysia, they know there are technologies available, but they do not know how to use that technology to help them in what area. Their pain points in Malaysia is not very clear yet. So they are seeing what are the peers doing. If this company is using ERP, should I buy ERP system? So the understanding about technology is still very vague. They can improve by knowing more about technology and how technology can help them to understand where to start and how to start and which area to focus on instead of following what others are doing.
这个东西是迟早要做的，就是 ERP 是一个横的系列的，就是要再把 ERP 先做好，然后再慢慢再导入 MES 和 AOT 这些，还有那个 Warehouse Management System， 不是需要一次过投资，就可能是我们在一步一步，可能先把 ERP 弄好，然后再接下来其他的步骤，因为如果我们不再进步的话，很快就被超越了。
To be honest, at Malaysia, I can say we at an early mid stage in terms of the smart manufacturing technology, if compared to the China. I believe that technology at the China is quite a little bit high from compared to the Malaysia. What I can observe, they have three. First is our real data capture. The second thing is our integration system. The last is our application on the AI system.
Malaysia is making toward Industry 4.0, but they remain a significant gap in terms of the ecosystem readiness and the workforce digital landscape.
Basically, I hope that we will at minimum at par with China, or we can see we maybe go better than them. But as I said just now, we need to increase our knowledge in software engineering and know-how in our system itself.
This is the first time that I'm experiencing with DSC and meeting you all for the very first time. But I can see that and can feel that with DSC, you have a very professional team, especially with the leadership of Jerome and KJ and all the team members. I'm sure you all will go very far. I'll quote the words that what I've seen earlier, that this is not just a trip. This is basically a vision for us to embark for the next digitalization journey.
Fruitful and meaningful. Like I have gained so much experience, like exploring like different industry, eye-opening, understand their type of struggles and how they from the struggle and get from success.
Learning. We have to learn from the China company to move forward to improve our company. I think DSC is providing very good arrangements, taking care of the participants, and then the company we visited is quite related to our industry also.
Leadership commitment from the China manufacturing. You can see that from the owner or the chairman or the managing directors themselves up to the floor managers, where they speak the same language, they have the same objective, and they believe in developing their internal team to drive that transformation. So I believe that this is the critical success factor of digital transformation process.
很感谢 DigiWin 跟 DSC 可以让我们有这个机会可以来参加这个，来见识一下不同的行业的工厂，还有让我认识这么多的好朋友。
There's a clear picture on what is smart manufacturing, so they will give us the first impression and also what to do to be more competitive as a manufacturer.
Eye-opening for experience invaluable insight into world-class smart digital manufacturing.
Understanding your own process and understanding the software that you need to implement.
A heartfelt thank you to CCPIT for their strong support in making the DSC China Factory Tour 2025 in Qingdao a great success. Together, let's continue this journey to drive digitalization forward, empowering factories for a smarter and more connected future. At DSC Consulting, our mission is to bridge insight and innovation, empowering Malaysian manufacturers with global perspectives. This tour wasn't just a visit, it was a vision of how factories can embrace digital transformation. DSC Consulting, your digital partner for Malaysia's manufacturing.